gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love I love goddamn, I love
Okay, so I changed my glasses. The other ones were my prescribed ones, but these are just like, you know, just to look cutesy or whatever. And I don't know if, like, yeah, is it giving? Is it giving what needs to be given? Dude, I swear. I think it's giving what needs to be given. For sure. This double chin ain't though. It's gotta go. ASAP. Oh my god. It's like a steal. $28. Guys, I totally forgot. Well, I didn't forget. I was on the phone with my friend all day. And the nails are done. It's giving baddie. It's giving demure. It's giving chic. It's giving clean. It's giving classy. So I went shopping. And I got a lot of stuff. So we're gonna start off with the first one. Okay. And the stuff in here is actually cute. So first, we have this, and I like it because it's off the shoulder. So you could do like a little slick back bun with little shorts. Are you kidding? So cute. And then I got this one. If you know, you know. Your girl's Italian, so it's giving patty. So that's everything I got from there. Then I went to TJ Maxx and I got the Viral. Oh, poor my neck. I got the Viral Beauty by Joseon serum. Glow Deep Serum. I got the glowing one because your girl trying to be glowing. And it says apply 2 to 3 drops of serum onto face. It looks like this. I don't know if it's glass or not, to be honest. It feels like plastic. But it looks like that. And then I got the Inky List Collagen Peptide Serum. And it says that it tightens your skin, which we need that. And then it looks like this. Period. Bath & Body Works. Okay. My little receipt. I don't even know how much I spent. $25. Okay. I got my perfume for free because I had a coupon. And then I got a car freshener because they do this now. They make car fresheners now in mahogany teak wood. That's the best scent. And then I got this for my car, the mahogany coconut. It smells good, girl. And then I just got a bunch of hand sanitizers, which I will put away. And then it's my fave guy. Makes my perfumes. Period. And this, he hand makes it. And this is the Gucci Flora smell. You kidding? Smells good. Ulta. I got some hand cream because my hands are dry. And some aftershave serum. From Zoomies. I got some Haiku, period, my favorite. I haven't had those in a while. And then I got these. Oh my god. Are you kidding? I'm gonna wear these tonight. These are like the best basic tees at any like craft store. I like the Gillidan one. It's just a long sleeve white tee. And I'm gonna wear these two together. Fire with some white sneakers. That's everything I got. And then I got this water that we're gonna drink right now. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take you meal prep shopping with me. And maybe a little other things, we'll see. So yeah, I'm at Target right now. See what I need. So these are everything. Alright, so I'm gonna get this. I've never had it, but I heard it's good, so we're gonna do that. It is. Hopefully it's good. For this, I've never had, like, every time I tried it, I didn't like it, so maybe we'll like it this time. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of this. Okay, so I'm getting this one. I'm back in the car. I just left Target. Go to Five Below. Whole Foods, Five Below. And Whole Foods, Five Below. I kind of want to go to Trader Joe's to get my flowers, because I usually put flowers in my room. So I'm thinking I go to Trader Joe's. Okay, so I just left Walmart and I'm just gonna go to my job really quick and I'm gonna get adjusted. I'm gonna get my neck cracked because I slept wrong. I need to get it cracked. Hey guys, I'm home now. I'm gonna start meal prepping. Yeah, girl. Okay, bye.